Good morning. What's up, fam? How we doing? How are we doing? You already know. Gotta fuel my addiction. Oh, that's nice. That is nice. Chat Celsius is it's where it's at, man. It's where it's at. How's everybody doing this morning? Everybody doing good? What up, Lord? Yeah, I'm doing good. Doing good. Market is open, by the way. So we're just gonna be a little patient today. Trading some combines, trading some real live accounts, doing a little bit of both, a little bit of everything. Little bit of everything today. We're gonna try to get some toss up X combines in the green today. See what we can do. Where's my VWAP? There it is. There we go. Overall, price, we just kind of been going sideways. Not really much happening. It's just kind of one big flag pattern. So we'll see if we can break out to the upside. Break of this trend would really be above about on the ES, about 6,035. Go to the Nasdaq. About the same thing, kind of flagging out a little bit. We'll see what happens if we can get into some pricing up at like in the 200s, really. Be a little bit of a break of a trend here. Otherwise, definitely watching these lows down here. No data. Oh, that's wow. That's the wrong one. Nice job. There we go. All right, let's have a day. Let's try to have a day. Bulls trying to step up here, getting us above VWAP. We have Jerome Powell speaking later today. Something to keep in mind. I'm sure when he comes to speak, it's going to get a little twisted. Right now, hovering in the 160s. See if we can get a break at like the 180s if bulls can continue to step up here. I'm keeping TradingView on my main monitor here. I do have Top Step X on a top monitor, which so if I get into a position, I'll drag my monitor down and I'll tell you guys the moment I get into a trade. Kind of a lackluster open, pretty slow, and not really doing a whole lot. Not really doing a whole lot. You guys are here. Do me a favor and smack that like button with serious authority. Tells YouTube, hey, I like this guy, I like content he's putting out. I want to see more of it. So hit that like button with some serious aggression for your boy. We got about 30 people in here. Jonathan says, I smacked it. Appreciate you. Love to see that. Boy, price is kind of dead, chat. Price is really dead. Not really doing a whole lot. We going north today or what? Man, that's been the theme. It hasn't been the theme. Just go north. Buy every pullback. Buy every single pullback. But we'll see. Never know. At this point, I think it could go either way. I mean, we've done nothing but rip, so I think we're due for a healthy pullback. You know, not really a correction, but a healthy pullback. But then the market's been so strong that what's to stop it from continuing the trend, you know? Sophia, what up? Appreciate you. Mama Bear, what up? Welcome. Chat, this is boring. I mean, we're doing nothing. Today's open was kind of just gross. What up, Sean? Chicago Sid. What up, Chi-Town? On my Top Step X combines, I did take a trade earlier this morning before market open. It was a small L, so we're starting off in the red today during the open. We're down like 297, so not bad. Not bad at all. On the combines. What up, Mickey? First day with my new Top Step account that you won a few days ago. Let's go. Congrats. Take it slow. Get it passed. Take it slow. I'm going to take a short below VWAP here on NAS. I'm doing it in combines, so it's aggressive. You can see here that I am short, below VWAP on NAS here. Stop pretty much like up here. See if we can catch a move down. Okay, I'm gonna move this stop down to profit in case we try to bounce off these lows here. Not overly confident we run these lows, but we could. If we snap it, I'll just move my stop down to the pretty much to the lows. I'm gonna trail tighter now. Okay, we'll lock in. All right. Well, move and stop down even lower. Stop down now down at the lows here. And then if we can pop this, I'll move it down even lower. Gonna trail tighter now. Lock in at least 670. There we go. Locked in 670 on that trade. GG's. And that put us back in the green from the trade that I took earlier this morning. Now we're up 364. That was about a $670 trade just then. Next. Actually, I tell you what I'm gonna do, chat. So I don't have to drag. Let's do this. So I don't have to drag that monitor down. Bear with me for just a second. Let's just get a scene set up here for the top monitor. And I can just switch. Oh, am I still on mute? Wait, what? I'm muted right now? Or was I muted? Oh, I was muted from... Okay, hang on. Let me do this. Let me copy that. There we go. Now I shouldn't be muted on this scene. It should be good now. Yep, I just had to... I was just changing scenes there. $250 away, your weak spot? Dang, I guess I could have held this short, huh? Oh well. Wish he was brave enough to use minis. I use them in combines, like evaluations. I won't do them in funded accounts. Down 400, now up 150. Let's go. That was a good trade though, chat. That was what we took it just below VWAP from like what was it, 3 or well, about 139 ish down to whatever, like 98 or something like that. That was a good trade. Just over a 30-point trade. We'll take it. Happened fast too. It was basically a perfect trade. We didn't really take any drawdown on that trade at all. What made me say I'm going to trade that? Honestly, the fact that we could not break above, what was it, the 180s, we rejected them pretty hard, and then it sent us all the way back down below VWAP. That was a big sign of weakness for me. VWAP is one of my strategies that I use for either support or resistance levels. And the fact that it sold us off from those, basically from the 180s, about 174-ish, all the way below VWAP just was extremely bearish for me. So it made sense. I mean, we're still cooking to the downside. Marty entered the same time as you. Should have set a bigger TP. Kept going, oh well, one good trade done for the day. Yeah, that's all you really need. One good trade and that's it. You get one good trade, lock her up. But yeah, I mean, definitely could have rode this longer. Maybe even added to my position when we broke these lows here. When we broke this, could have probably even added to the position. I mean, it's easy to say that in hindsight now, but the signs were there that we were gonna melt. $38 short. Don't rush it, Sophia. Take your time. Wait for a good setup. I've seen, in fact, me myself have gotten close, like under $100 away from passing a combine, and I was like, "Oh, this is gonna be easy." I throw in some micros, got $100 down on micros. I was like, "Okay, well, maybe not." Threw on some more micros on a trade, got down even further. So at this point, I was down now like 300. So I was like, "All right, we'll slap on a mini." We'll slap on a mini, throw on the mini, down $1,000. Okay, now I'm just tilted, and then I just throw on like full port max positions, and then the account's blown. When I was like $100 under $100 away from passing, just be easy with it. Take your time with her. Let her come to you. Just ain't right. What up? Says hello, Coach Joey. Was good. What just happened to all of my screens? $38, you can literally do that in one micro. I would just wait for one good setup, take one micro, lock it up, call it a day, go outside, do something. I said yesterday in my Discord that I wouldn't be surprised to see us like just come lower today. Today and tomorrow, it would not surprise me to see a little bit. I mean, we have a lot of gaps that are like lower that have never been touched. And generally when you have that many gaps low like that, it just price will tend to navigate down to those areas. But we've been in such a bullish market that we don't have to. Look at buyers here. About a 40 40-point rip off these lows. Which, chat, what have we done every time we come down here, bro? Every time we've entered this range, look. Rip. 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 Are we going to get the same thing? Would you wait for a retest before buying it? Yeah. Yeah, I'm not gonna be chasing this. I am a compliance officer with Apex. Just here to observe and take notes. Carry on. Holy moly. Chat, real talk. I did say on Twitter that I'm gonna buy Apex accounts and I'm going to trade and stream them live. So all of my trades are documented. All of them, everything that I take is here on YouTube, and then all of my trade reports are imported into TradeZilla as well. Gonna be absolutely bulletproof. There's no way I could get denied a payout, bro. No way. John, we'll see about that. You guys ain't right. We'll see about that. I'm not trading Apex right now, so I'm gonna do whatever I want. But when I do, video someone posted in Discord last night, the guy did the same and still got denied. He streamed his trades live. Improper risk management, and his biggest drawdown was 1,100. Danny says, I'm the CEO of Apex. I'm here to show how easy it is to lie about being an Apex officer. Continue on. I think he's just joking, Danny. Hell, I'm the COO of Apex, and I'm here trading, and I'm going to show you guys that I'm going to have improper risk management, and then I'm going to take a payout and pay myself. While I deny all of you, I'm going to take a payout. In fact, I'm going to take a payout from all of y'all's profits. How about that? You're not the COO unless this video ends up being 72 hours. Yeah, for real. For real. Kind of just hovering down here in this zone. Just kind of a support area. Not really doing a whole lot. Price is moving really freaking slow, chat. Like, this is unbelievably slow. And I have a feeling it's because Powell is speaking later today that we're just not going to see a whole lot of volume. which also kind of makes me not want to trade my Tradeify accounts today. Maybe I just stick with combines. Or if I trade my Tradeify accounts, just get in, get out. Really quick trades. Not really holding anything. Take a little like $150, $200 trades, 10-point trades. Just bounce. If you can even get 10 points. I mean, we're literally just kind of hovering like in 2 to 3 point ranges right now on the Nasdaq, which is annoying. There's just no volume. Tesla is actually down today. They're down 2.5%. Nvidia is barely in the green. The entire Mag 7 looks weak today. I'm kind of interested in shorting again. See if we can get a move to like 112. Potentially take another stab at this short. Could be a good re-entry spot. If it's going to give it to me, it may not give it to me. What news? Do we have news coming out at 9? Let's see. We just have a Fed member speaking at 9. I'm going to go ahead and switch to my top monitor here just because I might take a short. I'm just waiting on it to... I really wanted to get 112. I may have been too greedy on my entry. All right. Let's go ahead and take the short. I don't know if I'm going to get my entry up here. I really want to get in this trade. Stop up at 113. And then I'll just go ahead instead of take profit down at the low here. And then I'll be right back, chat. We'll let this trade play out how it plays. All right. What are we doing? Still kind of hovering in the same spot. Doing absolutely nothing. Jesus Christ. Holy moly. Just give us some volume here. Give us some follow through. We're up about 10 points. Just cannot get the follow through to the downside. Kind of insane. Bear flag, yeah. Oh, this is boring. Yeah, chat. I don't know if I'm going to trade my funded accounts today. I am not feeling this price action. It is just so slow. Oh, my Lord. I'm just taking it off. It coming back to my break even like that, I'm just taking it off. I'm not down, chat. Not down for it. We're up at one point like 15 points. And we're just getting no follow through. So getting no follow through like that, I'm just not down to sit in it any longer. Makes me feel like it's not strong enough to continue down. I mean, it could still, but I'm really just not down for it. Your break even got hit too? Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely just not worth it. Price is moving extremely slow. Not a day that I want to trade actual like live accounts either. Now we're coming down again. It could still potentially go lower, chat. It probably will, honestly. My patience just ran super thin. And if my patience starts to run out like that, I'd just rather be out of the trade. I'd rather just miss it and just be out of it. Like, there's no easier way to go on tilt than just losing patience with a trade and continuing to stay in it even though your patience has run out and then it go against you. That is like the easiest way to go on tilt. Yeah, I killed it at my break even. I lost patience with it. I didn't have the best entry either. I wasn't happy with my entry point. It was a little more of aggressive entry. I really wanted like 112s, honestly. Like I wanted an entry here to take a short. But I wasn't. It wasn't giving it to me. So I took a little more aggressive entry, and then aggressive entry with no follow through and low volume. I didn't want to hold it anymore. Holly. Overnighted long, got tilted and held 2.5k, draw down to make 300. Sheesh. Welcome to trading, where we all get tilted. And look at buyers here. So it was a good kill. Because had I still been sitting through this trade, I probably would have been tilted off this move. Not gonna lie. Mainly because I know that I took an aggressive entry and my patience was running out. I guess for good reason. Buyers taking us all the way back to VWAP. Go figure. Oh, man. Chad, is this even worth trading today? Anybody else just kind of feeling like this ain't it? Or is it just me? Am I the only one that feels like this PA just is boring and not it at all? Monberry, yes. Sean, yeah, I think I'm going to trade my practice account. Still waiting for IB levels to be drawn. Yeah, I feel you there. But guys, we have 60 people in here and 21 likes. Let's get those likes up. It's more likes in the building chat. Sophia says, I'm crying right now. Hold on. Wait a minute. Ferdinando, I am long. What's your entry? Well, I guess it did give me that re-entry, huh? Guess I could have technically still taken the short if I wanted it. Theoretically, it gave me the entry that I wanted to short from. How about that, chat? I take the short on an aggressive entry that I don't want, and then price gives me the price action gives me the short entry that I do want, and I don't take it. Isn't that interesting? Isn't that interesting? It gave me the short entry I wanted to take, and I didn't take it, but yet I took an aggressive short entry. If that's not a sign to call it a day, I don't know what is, bro. Doesn't look good, by the way. Honestly, nothing looks good. I'm leaning more short than anything, but just nothing looks good at the moment. I mean, look at the wicks, bro. Hold on. Let's go to the 5 minute. Look at the wicks. Like, look at this. This is a 5 minute time frame. We have been sitting here, what, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 minutes, bro. 30 minutes and look at these wicks. 30 minutes of this. If you're agreeing today, shut it down. I feel that. I feel it heavily. I rock out with that. Feels like today, ain't it, chat? I also have family pictures today, later, here in like 2 hours. So I also got to get myself ready for family pictures. Ismail, what up? It's kind of working. Yeah, your law might play out here. I would be, I don't know what your entry is. What's your entry? Ismail asks, what's the bias today? Go get off the screen and go outside. That's my bias today. Just shut it all down and not even trade it. You mean you have to take care of the baby while your wife gets ready for picks? Yeah, that is true. Yeah, that's 100% facts. She takes about 3 business days to get ready. She started getting ready for family picks on Monday. Oh God, bro. That's so funny. Oh, 41, stop, break even. Oh. Yeah, I'm kind of just hanging out here just to hang out with you guys. I really don't even want to trade this. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna lie. I really don't want to trade this. I mean, look at the price. Look at the PA. We've done nothing. Wait, where's my dude? Where's my indicator? I just realized that, chat. I've been trading since I've been here since market open, and I just realized that my indicator's not even on my chart. There we go. I thought you said you were in a long. No, I'm not in a long. Ferdinando is. What's our initial balance range? It's 174. We don't even have 100-point range. Oh wait, yeah, we do. 63 to 174. Yeah, we do. 111-point range, but still not good. I'm watching that bear flag in the 5-minute might have a confluence with a potential breakdown of the initial balance low. Yeah. Chat, I want to do a quick poll on something. Bear with me, chat. We're going to do a quick poll on something. This is an experimental question. Sellers coming down, looking good. Shorts are now regaining control finally. I guess my entry that I did want would have been flawless, chat. This was literally my entry point that I wanted that I didn't take. I wanted this here. And look how flawless that would have been. Unbelievable. Literally said I wanted 112 as an entry. Took those 20 points of 441. Nice, GG's. Told you, bear flag. Yeah, I mean, it was a good short. That was the short entry I wanted about 30 minutes ago. Literally 30 minutes ago. Push IB low, a little bit lower. Oh no, Sophia. What happened? Talk to me. Da Bears. What's one group coaching call? Need more specifics on this? Will be a Zoom call held at a wow, if I could talk. One group coaching call held on Zoom on a specific day and time to where everybody can hop on Zoom. We can walk through trades. We can walk through trades you took, whether it be the past week, what you're looking for, and trading plan for the next week. It could be mentality, psychology behind trading, essentially coaching around absolutely everything. Basically, it's like having an accountability partner, right, in trading, and having somebody there to walk through how you traded and the trades you took and the decision making to help you become a better trader. That's essentially what that would be. You tilted to minus 1,400, then just got most back. And you were $34 away? I told you. Didn't I literally say, I literally said that I've done the exact same thing where I was less than $100 away and I tilted to over $1,000 to where the account was blown. Sounds great. Yeah, so I got something coming for that. We're working on some things that I think is going to be very beneficial for everyone. Stop loss hit, not your day. Call it a day. Bounce up out of here. Normally do the 15-minute opening range breakout and kept getting faked out from lack of patience. Yeah. Today is one of those days where that 15-minute opening range breakout is it can be brutal. We go to the 15-minute. Let's see. So this has been your first 15-minute candle. I mean, look how brutal it could be, right? I mean, we chopped for the next 30 minutes of doing nothing before we finally got continuation. Personal daily loss taken. Hey, at least you have a personal daily loss limit. Some people don't. Actually, a lot of people don't. Their personal daily loss limit is the count blown. the account getting blown is most people's personal daily loss limits. Oh God. Wait, is today Thursday, chat? Today is Thursday. I got bowling today. Ismail, you just reminded me that I had bowling today just because I remember the video you sent. Chat, if you didn't know, I'm in a bowling league. Yes, I'm a nerd. I know. It's okay. Big nerd vibes. So today I got family photos and then I got bowling league. Still down for that 100K bet. You bowl me at 300. Record it, video it, send it to me. Got to record the whole thing. Disc golf league here. Yo, I love disc golf. Yo, disc golf, chat, listen. Disc golf is so underrated, bro. Think about it. You go out into like you're at this big ass field, right? It's nice, sunny, 75 degrees, 80 degrees, right? And you're just out there throwing fucking frisbees, bro. Underrated. Underrated. That shit is a vibe. I don't care what nobody says. I love it. Just won a tournament last month. Let's go. GG's. Brady. What bowling alley do you bowl at in Springfield? I'm about 90 minutes north of Springfield, and I think I've bowled in all the houses in Springfield. Last year, the one I bowled, well, not last year, a couple of years ago, the one I bowled at was Andy B's bowling alley. This one I'm bowling at is in Nixa, just outside of Springfield. I like Andy B's. I bowled a tournament in Nixa about 15 years ago. Nice. Yeah. I forget the name of it. It's what is the name of that bowling alley? Hold on. It's gonna drive me nuts. Century Lanes, is that what it's called? Yeah, Century Lanes. Chat, something to pay attention to here. I'm gonna zoom out one chart here and pull this up. Something to pay attention to. Check this out. We did break these lows, right? So you see these lows here. I'm gonna just bring this up to those. We did grab liquidity there, right? We grabbed it, and now we're getting bought up from it. So potential reversal area. Longs don't look horrible. If you're going off a liquidity grab below 56. So that doesn't look horrible. I mean, obviously the day's been pretty bearish, but if we're talking reversal areas, that would be it. Otherwise, a breakdown of that area, that 56 area, would probably, a true breakdown of that would probably send us back to, what would that be, like just at 21,000-ish, right at 21,000. Something to keep in mind there. Well, yeah, now look at buyers, right? As we're talking about it, straight up mooning to the upside. When you think about it also, what's been the theme of the freaking market? Let it pull back, buy it, and just ride that sucker, bro. That's been the theme. Thinking buyers to get us above 108, that would probably send us maybe even above VWAP, honestly. I'm going to look for a long entry. Ideal long entry for me would be about 76. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna switch to my top monitor here. You'll see me place the order in case we do get that pump, um, that drop down. I want to buy right here at 76, 75. I don't know if it'll give it to me though. It's a pretty strong move up. Wow, that was lag. Okay. All right. I got a limit order to buy one there at 76. Not valid for the bet, but look at your DM in Discord. My very first perfect game back in the day. Nice. Yeah, that's legit. All right. We're in this long. All right, Isma. Move my stop to break or into profit here. Just 10 points in profit. We can break 102. I'll move it up pretty much to that area. But we need to break 102. I am trailing my stops tight because we are so bouncy and choppy today, chat. I'm not really down to let it come down to my break even. I'd rather just secure profits, but we'll see if we can get this move above 102. But stops about less than 10 points away. Moving up higher. Stop at 96. Still trying to go. See if we can get a move. All right. Stops now at 102. Let's lock in $500 if we get stopped out. Kind of stuck at this 212 or 112 level. Okay, there's a good little move. Now we're going to lock in 600 where it stops at 107. Bang, stopped out there. Was that at 107? That was a good trade, chat. That was a flawless entry. Flawless entry. My goodness. What an entry, chat. Wow. That's the second flawless entry of the day. Absolutely beautiful. Nice long, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, that was sheesh. Another 30-point win. Ferdinando is long again. Wick test entry, I missed it. Yeah, so am I break even for the day? No, I'm up $958. On the entry that I took, I set a limit order right at 76 here. Right at 76. Pretty much a wick test, right? At the bottom of these wicks and this wick here. Set a limit order right there. And pretty much just it bounced straight off that order. Jay, same entry, early take profit. That's okay. He still made money. Remember, guys, we don't have to take the whole trade, right? We don't have to. Our job is to take a piece of the pie. We don't have to take the whole move. This thing could very well go break VWAP and just straight moon the rest of the day. You know what I mean? I was waiting for a break of VWAP. I mean, it still very well could. How often do I trade live? Every day. Every day. Bo says lives. What do you mean, bro? I'm live on YouTube literally every morning, except for yesterday. I wasn't live yesterday because I was on kid duty. All right, we'll end this poll that we have going with like 37 people voted. 86% were yes, 13% were no. So that's pretty good. That's pretty good stats right there. I'll take that. We have some cool things coming, chat. Stay tuned. What time am I live? Just before market open. But maybe going earlier as well. We may start going live an hour before market open. Tesla is now down 3% on the day. We got 72 people in here, chat. Let's hit that like button. Let's get those likes up. We got 37 likes, 72 people in here. I mean, we've just taken 2 flawless entry trades today. We're up 60 points. Well, just under. No, sorry. We're up 50 points on the day. 2 flawless entries. Surely that earns a like on the stream, right, chat? Surely you would think that earns a like. This is awesome. I look forward to learning how you trade. Appreciate you. Yeah, I mean, we're here every day. Every day. If it were me, and at this point, since we're already up at VWAP, my strategy, my bread and butter strategy, obviously, is the initial balance. This is my indicator here. And then if we get a failed auction, it will actually label failed auctions on the initial balance, either the upside or the downside. At this point now, I would just be waiting for my strategy, my initial balance strategy. I would want to see us either come up and test the IB high or the IB low, get a failed auction, and take that trade. So if I was going to continue trading, that would be what I look for. I think I'm going to chill, and I'm up 1,000 pretty much. You can see here. Up basically 1,000 on the day on these combines. So I think I'm going to lock them out. In fact, I'll go ahead and do that live on stream. Lock me out. Bang. I'm locked out. I can no longer trade these combines. Sorry, did not mean to switch scenes like that. Here we go. I like that you're calm, cool, and collected. Keeps the stress off trading low. Thank you. You're welcome. Yeah. I mean, if you're trading stressed out, typically never really good. There's that break above VWAP right there, chat. Good little break. Looking like we may go up to initial balance high, which is at, was that 174? If you guys aren't in Discord, I'll put a link in the description there, or in, wow, description. There is actually a link to my Discord in the description, but I'll put it in the comments if you want it. It'll be easier for everybody. Y'all want to hop in Discord? There's a link. Bennett. Discord's been a vibe, man. We have grown very fast in Discord. We're over 1,000 people. We're only like 4 months or so old or something like that. I don't even know how many months, but we're not even a half a year old in Discord, and we're already over 1,000 people It's been growing super fast. People been chilling, vibing out, posting profits in the profits channel, posting screenshots of payouts. A lot of cool things happen in Discord. Total vibe. We do have a free mastermind class going on December 14th. You could, if you do hop in Discord, you can see it in the event tab. December 14th, we're doing a free mastermind course. It's going to go over market profile, value area, initial balance, and point of control. So it will be a very information heavy mastermind class. The last mastermind we did was over my initial balance strategy. It went for a little over an hour long. This one will probably be an hour and a half, if I had to guess, because it is so information heavy. There's so much to cover in market profile, so much information between, you know, all three concepts that make up market profile. So it's gonna be a long one, but it's gonna be a good one. Still bullish movement, still moving up. It feels inevitable that we go test IB high at this point. I would still love to be in the long, but I'm happy with my trade. IB high looks good. If it were me, that's what I'm waiting on. Mama Bear, we going to IB high already? It looks like it, huh? Looks like it. We're done pretty early, chat. We traded very well. It's only, what, an hour and 18 minutes into market open to be done for the day. I could tradeify accounts. First time watching you. I'm not looking for a signal room, but it looks like you do call out your trades. Is that true? I will show you all of my entries and exits and tell you exactly what I'm looking for. Yes. I do it live on stream. That last trade I took was pretty much a prime example of that. Yeah, I'm not afraid to show you my entries, chat. I know a lot of people on that stream, like they're like, they don't want to show entries, and I get it, right? I get it. You lose if you're in a losing trade, you're losing in front of a lot of people. I understand, but at the same time, it's like I'm not really affected by losing in front of people. It doesn't affect me. My stress levels, I don't stress out that easy. So I really don't care. I'll show you exactly what I'm trading. If I lose in front of you, I lose in front of you. It don't bother me. But also, like, if I'm talking through, and realistically, chat, if I'm being honest, like, that last trade I took when I told you guys, like, I'm doing a limit buy. Like, if I go back to let's go back to my screen. Let's show you what I'm talking about. Like, on this trade here, I set a limit buy right here, and I was talking about it as we were, like, up here, right? For me, I wasn't telling you guys, like, I wasn't talking about my trade idea for you guys. Like, it was more so like I'm talking myself through my trade and what I'm looking for. And really, me talking myself through my trades and what I'm looking for can just kind of translate to you guys. You know what I mean? So it's like, realistically, I'm not even talking about it for y'all. I know that sounds, take that how you want. It's really me talking about my trades for me. And you guys just get to hear how I'm thinking about trades and how I'm talking through my setups and what I want to look for. You guys just get to hear it. So realistically, it's not even a signal. It's me actually talking to myself through a trade that I want to take. So that's pretty much what that is. What broker? The trades that I took, my trades in are Top Step X through Top Step. Thanks to the transparency, of course. NQ looking sweet. It is. It is. It's cool we've had some newer people tune into the live. If you are new, welcome. Welcome home. You're in a good spot. Sophia, happy as heck, got off tilt and green. Didn't get my 38, but still up overall. Hey, lock it up. The fact that you dug yourself out of that hole, lock it up. It's time to call it a day. Thank you. Are you on the minute? I'm on the 5-minute time frame. Sophia, just don't even do it. You have tomorrow. You have all of next week. I found you through your videos you posted with Tradeify CEO. Oh, nice. Yeah, Brett's a cool dude. We're going to be doing another interview with him probably next month. Yeah, got my $200 in XFA locked up for now. There you go. GG's. Lock it up. One thing to keep in mind too, chat, is we do have Jerome Powell speaking later today, so it wouldn't surprise me to see price actually honestly kind of die off a little bit. We're getting to that time frame where volume tends to die. I mean, you can even see it right here, right? Y'all can see it. Volume's dying. We're just getting low on volume, which doesn't make me feel too confident on follow through on a lot of trades. So we might just lock it up there and call it a day. We overall had a good day. Going back to my top step accounts here, you can see I'm up $958, so just under 1,000. We'll take that all day long. Had 2 flawless trades that we took live. Really can't ask for a better day. Cannot ask for a better day. We're 2 for 2 on trades with basically 0 drawdown on those trades. There's really no point trading anymore. With that said, because I do have family pictures in like an hour and a half, I'm going to hop off stream and go get ready for family photos. If you guys haven't already, smash that subscribe button. We are live every single day, Monday through Friday, right here, Market Open. Join up on Discord, link in the chat there or in the description, if you will. Guys, with that said, yo, y'all see this? Hold on, before I bounce, y'all see this? Y'all see this on my mic? That's my son's work. My son was sitting in my lap and he legit tore my my microphone. All right, chat. What I said, Peace. Y'all have a good one.